Hi, it's Deborah Love Bradshaw, and we are baby stepping our way to a better life, even in the middle of a crisis. And today I am starting a new series. This series is on resilience, and I wanted to talk to you about the steps you can take to getting back on track, the steps you can take to finding your resilience. You know, sometimes, honestly, I have so much on my plate that I have a pity party. And so I can't stay there, however. I've got to get up and start getting on with life. Whether it's the pandemic, whether it's the resulting struggles that have come from that, or whether it's just life, there are a multitude of things that we have to deal with. And, you know, we can wish them away, but that's not going to help because it's simply part of the journey. And so today we are going to begin one step at a time, giving you tips and techniques on how to reclaim your resilience. So this series is called Reclaiming Your Resilience. So tip number one is to create a resilience report card. And what does that mean? That means that you have overcome many more things than you knew in the past. There have been things that you thought were going to destroy you, but they did not. There were things that you thought were going to be the end, but they were not. And you found a way to overcome it. You found a way to get moving again. You found a way. And so it's remembering those things when you get into a situation. Because if you've overcome that, you can overcome this. So my encouragement is to make a list as they come to mind, purposely search out those things that you have overcome. Maybe it was a diagnosis that you had to deal with in yourself or a family member. Maybe it was a financial issue that you had to overcome and you thought, oh my goodness, I will never make it out of this. Maybe it was something much more serious. Maybe it was a drug addiction or an alcohol addiction. Maybe it was the loss of a job, the loss of a loved one, a divorce. For me, some of my challenges have been going through a divorce that was very challenging. My mortgage company not transferring all the payments when they sold my mortgage. And so my house was almost foreclosed on. And I thought, oh my goodness, I will never recover from this. But my house was saved, thank God. My son being diagnosed with Down syndrome, my health issues that I had a few years ago. There have been so many things in my life that I have overcome. And so when you remember and when you recall the things that you've overcome, it helps you to deal with what you're dealing with today. So tip number one is to create a resilience report card. I'm actually going to encourage you to begin a journal, or if you have a journal, you can put it there, but to make a list of at least 3 things, preferably several more, of things that you have been through and you made it to the other side, and maybe you even learned some lessons from it. So this is Deborah Love Bradshaw. We are baby stepping our way to a better life, and we are reclaiming our resilience. I look forward to seeing you next time. Make it a great day. Take care.